I tried Carnivore Trading's 14-day free trial, and I want to report on what happened. Hi, I'm Rebecca. Thanks for joining me on the Mamalorian Way, where I'm just a mom learning how to make her money work harder for her and sharing it with y'all. I was turned on to a website or a company called Carnivore Trading by one of my friends who said she had doubled her money in about 3 months with them. So I went in and started the 14-day free trial with them, and I want to report on what I found out. I did other videos on this. Carnivore Trading is a company. It's a group of traders. They're anonymous, and they share exactly what they're doing in their portfolio, day-to-day trading, the percentage of stocks that they have in their portfolio, and it's not really day trading. They do trade a lot to maximize their returns, and they let everybody in on it. I did a 14-day trial. What you get in the trial, or what you get in your subscription, this is a subscription-based service. It's $175 a month, or if you buy an annual subscription, you get 12 months for the price of 10, so $17.50 for the year. It's relatively steep. This is what you get for it. You get daily text updates, either alerts, they're call to action, like Carnivore Traders are buying this, but Carnivore Trading is selling this, and they manage their portfolio really almost to the hour. So they're always updating, cutting their losses quickly, and looking at markets, changes in all market sectors to maximize on profits. Then you get an evening text with a link to the famous market wrap. And this is really interesting. It's a newsletter, and it's a resource for all the markets that are moving and shaking and what's going on, and some information. And it's very, I want to say trendy, not like trendy like it's real popular, but it's very on the moment of what's going on. They do a really nice overview. It's like a detailed overview, if you can do both, of the market sectors, what's working, what's not, and why Carnivore has picks in each. They also are very transparent in their portfolio, like in their percentage amount of their funding that they have for each stock. And they have, I'm going to say, about 20 stocks, but they're trading. Like, they don't keep all of them. If it's not performing, they get rid of them. They may sell off some of their stocks to be able to fund new upcoming stock that they're seeing have potential. This is what I did though. So my 14-day trial, I got 13 stocks. I didn't buy everything that they suggested. I bought things that resonated with me. I didn't invest a lot in each stock, so an average of about $40. That was an experiment. And what my 13 stocks did in 14 days was they lost 4.1%. So my total spend was less than $530, and right now my stocks are worth $507. Now I'm keeping them, and I have this spreadsheet that I've made of like when these should pop, what their target sale price and target date for that sale price should be. So I'm going to continue watching these, and I'll probably report back in a few months. Right now it is July 5th, 2021, and most of these target sale prices are at least until September. So I'm going to hold on to these and see, because it could change. It's the stock market, and 14 days is really not enough time to accurately evaluate if it's working or not. I stopped my free trial because I personally, for $530, I'm not going to spend $175 a month to try to manage $500. I'm not huge in the stock market, but I really liked a lot what Carnivore Trading was doing. So I'm going to say it might be for you if you know you're in the market for the longer run. I mean, longer than 14 days, and also years to come. And you like the stock market, and you like learning about the markets and the forces that drive them. I feel way more educated about goings on in the market forces that drive the stocks. And when you buy stocks, you're really buying into a business. I really like that market update. If I had like all the money in the world, all the time and money in the world, I would be in on this. It might be for you if you can keep up on the trade. Carnivore Trading manages their portfolio to the hour. You'll be getting text. I've got between 2 and 6 texts a day when they were trading for whatever reason. They were selling because they're like, we're going to take a loss on this. We're going to stop the loss and or take profits early to be able to reinvest in markets that are shifting. So they're very much on what's shifting in the markets almost hour to hour. I would say you have more than $5,000 to $10,000 to invest, because it's almost $200 just to get the information to manage your portfolio. And I think it would be worth it if you had more. Now, if you had like $100,000 that you're wanting to invest, it would be well worth it. You have an appetite for a certain amount of risk in exchange for reward. That's kind of going to my 14-day where I lost 4%. Markets are volatile. Now, I took a snapshot at a certain time. It could have easily gone the other way. Again, in my small portfolio, it remains to be seen. I am not going to make any advice of go into Carnivore Trading's subscription or go into the stock market. I am not a financial advisor, but I would try the 14-day trial and see if something like this might be for you, if you want to be more educated, if you feel comfortable with a little risk, and if you can keep up on the trades. Anyway, check out my other videos on this. Like, subscribe, and thanks, y'all. Mwah.